Yeah, so this is the LG C2 22 model. I highly not recommend it for PC use. I changed the HDMI 2.1 cable. I tried switching the port to a different port. Same problem. Sometimes it stops doing it, but it's randomly. But now this is what it's doing. So this TV is going back to the store. Yeah, it's yeah, if you just want to use it for the regular purposes for TV, like regular like PS5 and stuff, it's probably gonna be working, but not with a PC. This TV is highly sensitive for 120 hertz signal from the computer, so definitely not recommended. So you guys get a real monitor if you want to use it for PC.